So some topics I had told you which are very important for your JEE advanced. In that series I am telling you one more topic. Right, the topic name. Yes, our topic name is family. Family of lines. This is the topic which becomes very important because from here questions can be mixed. You will see the question of family of lines being mixed with AP, GP, HP and many other things. So it is very important. JEE, JEE Advanced has asked many problems on this. So see, basically what it is, L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. This is the equation of family of lines. But why we write like this? Why we write like this? We write like this because this is the combined equation of family of all straight lines which are passing through point of intersection of two given lines. See, for example, here is one line L1, here is another line L2. They both are intersecting at P. So tell me how many lines will be passing through this point P. How many lines? You will say there are infinite lines. This is L1, this is L2. These all lines are passing through this. But suppose we have to write the equation of any of these lines. Then what we will write? Then always we will write as L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. Okay, and this line always passes through one fixed point. What is that fixed point? That fixed point is point P, the point of intersection of L1 and L2. So this is very important. Now we will see, this is very important. So now we will see how JEE will ask questions on this topic. Right? So we will take the very first question. Write in your copy. A, B, C. A, comma, B, comma, C are in AP. Yes, they are in AP. They are in arithmetic progression. Don't think about other meanings of this AP. Don't say they are in Andhra Pradesh. Don't say they are in Arunachal Pradesh or many other creativity. Don't use that. They are in simply arithmetic progression. Okay, so ABC are in AP, then the question is, what is the question? Variable line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. Variable line AX plus BY plus C equal to 0 passes through a fixed point. Okay? You have to tell what is that fixed point. Right? So students, take your time and figure it out. After that I will say. Yes, board, audio, video, everything is completely visible for you. If it is not, then please tell me in the lunch box. Oh, not in the lunch box, in the comment box. Yes, comment box. What is happening with this screen? Yes, now it is going smooth. all bachas are able to see very, very clearly. So bachas, tell me the answer of this. See bacha, how we will solve this? How we will solve this? A, B, C are in A, B, and this is passing through a fixed point. No problem. If A, B, C are in A, B, we are taking A minus B, A plus B. This is your A, this is your B, this is your C. Substitute it here. So A minus dx, A plus 1 and taking d common 1 minus x. So just solve these two lines. This is your L1, this is your L2. We can say it is L1 plus lambda L2. How? Because we can say x plus y plus 1 plus lambda 1 minus x equal to 0. Okay, we have divided the whole equation by a. Then it became L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. Then we are solving L1 and L2. Whatever is the point of intersection of L1 and L2, that is the fixed point. So this is x equal to 1, x equal to 1 here, you will get y equal to minus 2. So 1 comma minus 2. This is the fixed point. This is that fixed point and this is your answer. Okay, so it was a good problem on family of lines. Similar type of many problems I will give you. But before that, note it down. Yes, so here we have the second question on family of lines. See, the second question is A, B, C are in HP. A, B, C are in HP. Then you have to find out the fixed point through which BC, CA, AB. This line is passing through which fixed point. You have to find out that. Okay? This is a complete question or not? I'll check and say yes. ABC are in HP. Then this passes through a fixed point. What is that fixed point? That you have to see. Think. See, if ABC are in HP, try to formulate at the same term. If you divide the whole equation by ABC, then you will get x by A plus y by B plus 1 by C equal to 0. Yes or no? And again you have seen the same problem as the last time. Here you have 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C. But ABC are in HP, that means 1 by A, 1 by B, and 1 by C is in AB. So again start the same. A minus D into X, A into Y, A plus B equal to 0. Convert it to family of lines. A is taken common, X plus Y plus 1. B into 1 minus X equal to 0. Solve it. X equal to 1. Y equal to minus 2. Answer is 1 comma minus 2. Okay. So family of lines very important, very important for your JEE advanced exam. So don't miss the problems of this from your PYQ book and you will find the similar types. Alright, note it down. दिल कहता है जाऊं से चलो 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 बच्चा बच्चा पार्टी। तो बच्चा पार्टी एक और सवाल लेकर के चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज ए स्क्वायर प्लस 9b स्क्वायर। ए स्क्वायर प्लस 9b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 6ab प्लस 4c स्क्वायर। Yes, this is the question given. I am taking it from your Bansal classes material. Then ax plus by plus c equal to 0 passes through one or other of the 2 points. Alright. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Bacha party. This is the condition given and they are asking find out the fixed point through which this straight line is passing through. All right, see here. We have been given a square plus 9b square minus 6ab minus 4c square equal to 0. No problem to you. It is clear, it is easy. And if they are saying fixed point in the problem, you should know it is the question of family of lines. So we should think more and more methods that how we can reduce the given straight line into the form of L1 plus lambda L2 equal to 0. So we can easily write it as a minus 3b the whole square minus 2c the whole square. A square minus b square. After that we say a minus 3b plus 2c and a minus 3b minus 2c equal to 0. So ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and here also ax plus by plus c equal equal to 0, minus 2ax minus 2by minus 2c equal to 0. Compare this with this, because this into this equal to 0, either this is 0 or this is 0, right? So when we say this is equal to 0, we compare this with this, we get x is half and 2b. Just compare. We say 2ax equal to a and 2by equal to minus 3. Minus 3 by 2 and x is 1. So first fixed point is 1 by 2 minus 3. Similarly, this equal to 0, just change this in this format here, minus 2c. So I have multiplied by minus 2. So half comma minus 3 by 2 is the first fixed point. Second fixed point is minus half comma 3 by 2. Okay, so this is how they will ask you the questions on family of straight lines from this type of modules. Okay, do it thoroughly. Here questions we have done under my guidance. Just take these questions once again after one day and try to think by yourself. If you are able to do, definitely you learned it and you can easily apply in the exam. Okay, so one more question we will take, then we will take some break also. This is very common type of question. Yes, this is the question. X into a plus 2b plus y into a plus bb equal to a plus b passes through a fixed point. This is passing through a fixed point, so for all values of a and b. Question is, this line passes through a fixed point for all values of a and b. Find out that fixed point. So you think, because 3 questions I have told you of this module of this type, so you can easily think. We are going to take a common, x plus y, then b common, 2x plus 3y minus a minus b equal to 0, a common, x plus y minus 1, b common, 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0. Solve these equations, you will get your answer, and that is the fixed point. Okay, so everyone has understood the family of straight lines from this live class. That is very good. So I told you this live class will be from 8 to 9. So we have completed this very important topic. Just take the break of 5 minutes. 5 minutes break. and after that I will solve 5 very good PYQs from straight line which are asked in or JEE advanced exam. ठीक है? So take your break, take your dinner. Oh, how can you complete your dinner? In 5 minutes. Take relax, take some water. Yes, water you can finish in 5 minutes. So do that. We'll meet once again.